Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey y'all, I'm feeling snacky, so I decided I would make Mr. Ron a cake. But I'm trying something I saw on Pinterest. Okay, here we go. It's just a box. And what we're going to do with this box, we're going to empty it in the bowl. And it's only 2 ingredients. Oh, Lord. That's real odd. Okay. So here we go. Empty the cake in the box. Ugh. He'll like it. I did add another ingredient. I melted some butter in my pan. So I'm going to use a bundt pan. And the only other ingredient it really calls for is a cup of unsweetened applesauce. Okay, we're going to see how this comes out. It's not like it costs a lot. It's just that it's easy. All right. I'm going to add an egg in anyway, even though it doesn't call for one. It says you don't have to add eggs in when you're using applesauce, but I'm just going to add 1 egg in anyway. All righty. Let's go. You're supposed to put it on for like a half hour. It's supposed to be 5 minutes of preparation and 30 minutes of cooking time. We're going to scrape down our bowl, and then we'll finish beating it up. See what happens. Anyway, I like cake. Cake likes me. Can't you tell? But yeah, I try to do a little something every now and again. I love to bake. It's just that, you know, I don't have all the necessary items it calls for baking. But I have the basics. And they say the batter is supposed to be thick, so I'm just going to beat it up a couple more seconds. That should be enough. So I'm gonna be right, and I'm going to spray my pan with Baker's Joy. That's what I usually use when I'm baking real cakes. Ugh, that makes you sick. Release the Kraken. I just wanted to shake these a little bit. If I got some goodness going on in this bowl, I'd like to get it all. Yeah. So we're gonna give this a shot and see what happens. So I'm going to empty my cake into the pan, and it's really thick. It said that the batter is going to be thick, so I don't know. What we're doing is we're trying something new. But it sure is. It's very thick. It's supposed to be just a yellow cake. It's supposed to come out moist, so they say. I'm supposed to leave it in the oven for 30 minutes on 350 degrees, which I will do. And once I get it all in the pan, good Lord, it's very thick. Leave no crumbs behind. All right. That looks about good. Supposed to smooth out the top, so the recipe says. I don't know how you're supposed to smooth it out when it's so thick. Oh gosh, I'm getting stuff everywhere. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna stick it in the oven. Setting the timer for 30 minutes. And we'll see what happens. Get back to you in a minute. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Cake's in the oven. Hey, did I just tell you it is cake mix, applesauce. I added 1 egg, and it's a cup of applesauce. I added 1 egg and some butter that I had already melted in the pan. I sprayed the pan with Baker's Joy, and you cook it for 30 minutes. So I mixed it up, put it in the oven, set the timer for 30 minutes. We'll see what happens. Okay. Okay. My alarm just went off for 30 minutes. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, it looks kind of good. Huh. Let's see. We got to test this bad boy. Might need to sit in there a little longer. I don't know. Let's see. Huh. Looks done. Well, I'm going to leave it in here. I turned the oven off. And I'm going to leave it in here for like 10 minutes with the door open and see.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.